we now have a new addition to our family of patterns. This is the Nasima jumpsuit. It is a jersey jumpsuit. We've never released a jersey jumpsuit, and I don't know why, because this is gorgeous. So just here to talk you through about fabrics and the details and design of this. So I'm wearing one, and I should point out that the one that I'm wearing is too big for me. I didn't actually model this one. This is what we're trying to do, is have different models from now on. So this was actually made a size or two bigger, so therefore it's probably one size bigger actually, but it's a bit loose and baggy on me, but still wearable. But I thought that's important for you to know, that it does usually have a slightly closer fit. So this is in a bamboo jersey. This is in a viscose knit. It needs to be ideally in a drapey jersey rather than a cotton jersey. That said, you can make it in a cotton jersey. It's just going to not hang as nicely in the trousers, so that's just something to bear in mind with. But you might find some kind of cotton blend that works well blended with viscose or something. But if you made it with a really sort of structured cotton jersey, it would not work. I think it would just look a bit odd and a bit billowy and puffy around the hip area. So it's got grown on sleeves, like bat wing shaped almost, and so no sleeve insertion, no zip insertion. The way you get in is down the centre front. We've got buttons on it here, and then it's an elasticated waist, so really easy to get on and off. It's got a lovely V-neck, so quite a soft V-neck I'd say, but I always love a V-neck because that gives sort of points into the waist almost, and gives and more of an optical illusion of that shaping at the waist that I love so much. It's slightly tapered on the trouser leg, so it's not straight trouser leg, it's tapered, which again is quite flattering and makes wearing it with pumps and things like that really it looks really good, basically with little pump trainers. So yeah, that's it. There's a turn up on the sleeve here, so again it's just grown on and then folded back and anchored down. It's a nice simple make, guys. The hardest thing is probably going to be the finishing of the neckline, the button placket, which is important that you interface that because of the jersey, but apart from that it's super simple. It really is, if you think you've got a front pieces, your trouser pieces and your back. So if you're new to working with jersey, this probably could be your second thing that you made out of jersey. And to make it a bit easier, bamboo jersey is a bit easier to work with than something like viscose jersey, just easier to cut and stuff, and easier to sort of prevent you from stretching it too much, but it's up to you what you want to make it out of. Yeah, that's it. I look forward to seeing them in the wild. Now, our pattern insiders have already had a go at them, so make sure you look on Instagram at #SOI Nasima jumpsuit, and you'll be able to see some other versions, and I'm sure that hashtag will soon start populating up. You can also have a look at our makers group and see on Facebook and see if some of those have been added. If you're not a member of our makers group, you should be. You can apply through our Facebook page just to be given access, and we can add you in there. And then you can start sharing things. If Facebook is your preferred social media platform, then you can see all the other things people are making and share yours on there. Anyway, that's it. Welcome, Nasima. Very happy to have you in the family. Bye.